everyone, today I'll introduce you a big welding machine to you. 6 kilowatt welding a thick plate with ease.
Records on Mike's original 5 laser, stable beam quality, single-sided welding of 14mm carbon steel in one pass, double-sided forming, doubling efficiency.
Intelligent 4-wire feed.
Strong trust and stable wire feeds, suitable for wide gaps and safe plates. For body water cooling, plus intelligent temperature control. 24-hour continuous operation without downtime.
Intelligent and safe, easy to use.
Multiple safety locks, plus air pressure alarm. IP54 dust-proof, one-click perimeter sealing. Lightweight 4.2 kg welding torch. Beginners can learn in 1 hour. Multiple models available for welding, cleaning, cutting. Suitable for carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, marine, and steel structures.
Multi-purpose, versatile for all scenarios.